Hello, namaste, and good evening. Namaste, good evening. Namaste, Yaminiji. Yaminiji, can you confirm if I am audible? My voice is clear. Whoever is the first one can confirm that. Gaurav Khosla, welcome. Can you please confirm if I got my voice clear? Welcome, Shalini. Namaste. I'm fine. How are you doing? That's really great to see all of you. Thank you, Gaurav. Yes, Gaurav, I'll take your question. Definitely. Thank you, Yaminiji Bindas, as like you. Okay, it's been a while. Let me just talk for a few minutes. It's been a while, almost like 6 weeks. I could not attend. Was going through some roller coaster of life, so that's okay. I mean, that's is over, and now I am back. So thank you so much for keep sharing and liking. I would love to see everyone back and joining this live show and getting the guidance. There is a little bit changes now. So if you'd like to book the personal reading, you can click on the link given in this post from my website, and you can book the reading from there. Thank you so much, Madhuri. Welcome. Yes, Salini, I will give you the reading for the next week. Can you just get the sharer batch? Just share it as much as you can. We will start a rocking session today. And probably, if one surprise for everyone would be that I might pick one person whose question I really like, and I might give a detailed reading. Could be about 5 minutes or 7 minutes or so. So just stay hand on and try to ask different questions, and if I like your question probably I might even deep dive into that and give you a much deeper guidance about uh, your issue. So that's Namaste, Yaminiji. How are you? Good to see you. Thank you so much. Hi there. Thank you so much. Gina Fritton. Okay, which country you are from? All right. Who else has joined? Want to say hello? I'd like to see so many hellos, and people just hang around and wait for some time. Shivangi Joshi, welcome. Gaurav Khosla, yes, I will give you guidance for the private job. Okay. Hello, Parnika ji, how are you? Good to see you after a long time. I'm sorry, Gina, this is a universal process. I cannot take your question. I'm sorry, please excuse me for that. Yes, Shivangi Joshi, I will see your question. Welcome, Shivani, Shalini. Yes, thank you, Gina, but I cannot take your question. I'm sorry. That's a part of the universe process. I do not intervene. I have no right to intervene. Yes, thank you, Parnika ji. Good to know that you are good and out of the work. Thank you so much. Guidance for you, Yamini ji. Yes, of course, definitely. Why not? Thank you, Gina. You have a stay. You also stay blessed, and I wish you all the very best. Okay, so let's get started with the Shalini reading for the next week. Chaliye, next week का guidance. Because Shalini and Yamini, I think those two of you joined the very first one. So this is the weekly guidance for Shalini. Yes, Gaurav, I will take your question. Please hang on. Okay, Shalini, for this 1 week, I would say from today, uh, Shalini, yes. So this week you can expect. some achievement in the sense certain news or something which you have been waiting for from quite a long time. So you might hit the jackpot or the goal or something which you wanted to have in your life. And also a little bit be careful about with the people who are around you. Some might even guide you or some might even misguide you, so just be careful about the people whom you are dealing with. And third thing is, of course, once you are hitting towards something new, right? So just leave that the reasons कि मतलब अभी तक क्यों नहीं हुआ, ठीक है? सो वो जो पास्ट का होता है ना कि अभी तक क्यों नहीं हुआ, इतना टाइम क्यों लगा, सो जस्ट सेलिब्रेट द मोमेंट व्हाट यू हैव गॉट. ओके, don't go back to that, so just be stay on that, so take care about that. Yes, Shalini. And one more request, you can go to my page, on the review page, if you can write a review, that will be really really helpful. And you don't know what, I will have a surprise gift to everyone who is writing a review on my page after this live or during this live as well. Yes, you will have a surprise gift from me, and that might be a personal reading free of cost or a discounted, I don't know what it would be. So please do that. And whoever does this today, okay, as many reviews I see for today's date, okay, they all the people will have a surprise gift from me. So don't hesitate to write about the review after the session or during the session when you are taking the guidance. Thank you, Shalini, and you stay blessed. Now let's move on to the next question. Hello, Mani. I'm sorry I could not answer your question, but yes, I will definitely do that right away. Mani Bansal, thank you for joining. Okay, let's see, where is Gaurav Khosla? Yes, Gaurav is asking for private job time. Okay, the date of birth is 6 June 1992. 6th June 1992. Gaurav Khosla. Gaurav Khosla, the most chances are between 3 to 5 months. But hold on, 3 to 5 months is fine to know about the timeline. But what is happening right now? Okay, right now you are resisting from inside as well a little bit. Okay, so your energy, you need to just align that positive energy towards the job which you are applying. Okay, it cannot happen that you are just keep on applying, and you're not giving a little bit of thought or the energies, and always screaming about I'm not getting any response, I'm not getting any response, मुझे job नहीं मिल रही है. All these things actually are the resistance. So please don't resist that. Okay, when you apply with the full mindfulness, I would say, apply with the mindfulness. That means you are aware that where you are applying, what you are applying, and give that 100% at least certain positive thoughts towards that application or to the company. And this is the time what you are going through is actually a transition time for you. So have some patience and enjoy this transition period. For the another 3 to 5 months, you are likely to get the most matchful job, like the job which you are looking for or which match with your skill is likely to be between 3 to 5 months of time. Okay, so I wish you all the very best. Thank you so much, and please write a review. Those who have joined, when you are taking the guidance today, please write a review on my Facebook page, and you get a surprise gift, and not a selective one. Everyone who writes a review today will get a surprise gift from me. That can be even a personal reading as well with me, which cost about at least about 1500 rupees minimum. Okay, so you might even get that free, so mind it. And please don't forget, Gaurav Khosla, to write a review on my page. Okay, let's move on to the next. Yamini ji. Yamini ji, what is the guidance you are looking at? You have any specific question? यामिनी जी, by the time you write, let me look at शिवांगी. मेरा कोर्ट केस का फैसला कौन से मंथ तक क्लियर होगा? ओके, कौन से मंथ तक क्लियर होगा कोर्ट केस का फैसला? ओके, and if you have written the review, and you can just confirm and comment in box that yes, you have done it. That's, thank you so much. Anyways, I'm going to connect with all of you who has written a review today, only today, during the session, after the session, or immediately after the guidance as well. You can go and write that. Okay, and you get a surprise gift from me. All right, Shivangi. Okay, I better do with these cards for Shivangi. Say the timing can be any time. I can see that these energies between, I can say, I mean, from this time till another 2 to 3 months, but still, let me just check. Yeah, within 3 months, you can expect that. It is expected as per the guidance within 3 months. Though the energies are indicating that this can be any time, but to be uh, considering all the external factors, if everything goes well, uh, Shivangi Joshi, by within the 3 months, you are likely to get the judgment. Okay, rest is all depends upon the government thing, but yes. So, how many of you have written the review on Facebook? How many of you? Yes, Yamini ji, what guidance do you want? Okay. वेलकम माधुरी, शालिनी वर्मा. शालिनी वर्मा, आपका रीडिंग तो मैंने दे दिया है. So you have asked for the week. So if you want for the month, you write a review and I'll give you for 3 months in one-on-one. Yes, I'm giving you a surprise here. I'm revealing a surprise for you, Shalini Verma. If you want for the next 3 months, I will give you a 3 months reading. Just write a review and confirm me back, and I'll connect with you. And then I'll give you one-on-one reading. Yes. Okay, Gaurav Khosla, everyone is lucky who is writing today the review. Okay, the more the you write the review, and I'll connect with you on the messenger directly. So there is no, everyone is lucky today, whoever is writing the review after the guidance. Okay, let's see who is next. One question is Parnika. Okay, where to drop? You can go to my page. There is a tab where the reviews, so you can go and write the reviews over there. Yeah, as soon as you do it, you will be getting that. Okay. Paranika ji, when will I get stable in my business? Okay. So Parinika ji, regarding your business, if I look at for the next 3 years, okay, next 3 years means including this current year, from this month to next month you can count. So one is you need to work on the overthinking. Okay, too much of planning. So start executing what you have planned. जो भी actions आपने सोचे हैं उसके ऊपर थोड़ा सा काम करना शुरू करिए। मनी बंसल जी, I will come back to you on the WhatsApp directly. ठीक है? I will give you the guidance after the session. I don't want to do it here on this because that's been a personal conversation. So I will keep that on the WhatsApp only. ठीक है? आज ही करूँगा मैं, after this session I will do. Okay, so Parinika ji, that is one thing. Second year, it requires a lot of focus, which is currently missing. So you are likely to get that in the second year, the more clarity what you need to work on, and in the third year, it is likely to stabilize. I mean, stabilize in the sense, the normally there would be the things which will keep on coming and going. But if you're looking at a smooth, steady business going, okay, but that you can look at only by at around third year of from today. So that is what about your business stability. ठीक है, इससे ज़्यादा अगर आपको डिटेल्स चाहिए तो आप रिव्यू लिखिए, फिर मैं आपको पर्सनल रीडिंग I will give to everyone today. Yes, those who are listening today, when you are getting a free guidance from me and you go to my page, write a review for me and I will connect with you for a personal reading and I will not ask you for any money. Okay, don't worry about that. Okay, where is Yamini ji? Yamini ji, आपने कुछ लिखा था. What did you write? Okay, work life. Yes, I recollect. So this is the guidance for Yamini Chopra for the work life. Yeah, I will take everyone's question, don't worry. यामिनी जी, आप सोच रही हैं कि आराम से जिंदगी चलती क्यों नहीं, है ना? क्यों धक्के लगते रहते हैं, बीच बीच में झटके लगते रहते हैं? हाँ, तो झटके और ये सब इसलिए लगते हैं कि कहीं ना कहीं थोड़ा सा मूवमेंट ज्यादा होना चाहिए. ओके, जस्ट जोक्स अपार्ट, क्या है कि लाइफ में थोड़े से मूवमेंट होने चाहिए, थोड़ा एडवेंचर होना चाहिए. तो एक तो थोड़ी सी ओवर थिंकिंग कम कर दीजिए, काफी ज्यादा हो रही है, मतलब जरूरत से ज्यादा हो रही है. ठीक है. दूसरा है, कोई एक चीज जो आप दिन भर में आपको अच्छी लगे वो करें. उसी के लिए आप समझिए कि आज का दिन आपको ऊपर वाले ने इसलिए दिया है कि आज आप अपने लिए कुछ एक काम कर सके. बस इतना ही करिए, यही गाइडेंस है आपकी. डू दैट वन थिंग व्हाट यू लव टू डू, जो आपने बहुत दिनों से नहीं किया है या करने का सोच रही हैं, बस वो करिए. और बस इतना काफी है. और अगर इससे ज्यादा गाइडेंस चाहिए तो फिर डिटेल में वो हम देखेंगे. फिलहाल हम आगे बढ़ते हैं, क्योंकि आपका जो सवाल था वो भी थोड़ा सा क्लैरिटी नहीं था. वर्क लाइफ मुझे दिखा था. सो वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस मतलब वर्क लाइफ आपका कुछ बैलेंस हो नहीं पा रहा है, इधर इट इज इम्पैक्टिंग द पर्सनल थिंग. सो थोड़ा सा ओवर थिंकिंग कम करिए और start working on something what you like. Okay, Lalit Nagpure, general reading. Okay, general reading. Lalit Nagpure, general reading. keep on sharing and liking, and those who are getting the guidance, please go to my Facebook page, write a review, and you get one free reading from me, one on one, personally, on the messenger. I will connect with you. Yeah, Aparna, please hang on, I will give you the guidance. I don't know for whom I picked up these cards. uh, Thank you, Parnika ji. Who asked for the general reading? Can anyone remind me? Okay, Raja. So Raja for a general reading. So in general, Raja, you need to focus on three things. The first thing is control your anger. If you are thinking to start any new business or a career or anything related to earn money, this is the right time. You can think of starting towards that. Second thing is it needs more of a action. It doesn't means that जो आप शुरू करना चाहते हैं वो बैठकर सोचेंगे तो हो जाएगा. सोचने से नहीं होगा. सोचना ये भी बंद करिए कि दूसरों ने क्या किया है. सोचना ये है कि आप क्या कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. और जब आप इसके ऊपर काम करेंगे, then only you are likely to get the achievement, the sense of achievement, okay, the goal achievement जिसको हम कहते हैं ना कि yes मैंने कुछ किया. So that is what is required. So right now stop thinking कि दूसरे लोगों ने क्या किया और मैं कुछ नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ. You can do it. It's only that control your anger towards other people and start focusing on what you can do. This is a general guidance for you. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, Aparna Ashish Negi is asking for whether my father will get a job and how his financial life. Name is Vinod Negi. Okay, this guidance is for Vinod Negi. Those who have not liked and shared and those who have got the guidance, I am re-announcing again that please go to my Facebook page, write a review, and you will get one free reading from me. That means the another reading in detail with me, and I will connect with you only for to the people who are writing a review today. Okay, the date should be today, not tomorrow, and then I will connect with you. Okay, this reading is for Vinod Negi. So the job is better for it looks like in the next 3 to 5 months of time, 3 to 4 months of time. Aparna Negi, I am talking about your father, the guidance you have asked for the job. That is one thing he can do is that by that time if he can add some additional skill to his portfolio, that would be really nice. मतलब कोई नई चीज अगर वो सीख लें, जो भी उनको आता है अगर उसमें थोड़ा सा कुछ अपग्रेडेशन कर लें तो बात बहुत जल्दी भी बन सकती है. ठीक है. अदरवाइज इट्स अबाउट 3 months ऑफ टाइम. लेकिन अगर वो कुछ बिजनेस या कुछ ऐसा खुद का करने का सोच रहे हैं तो द रिकमेंडेशन इज नॉट the right time right now. This might be a little bit problematic for him at this moment. So अगर वो जॉब के ऊपर फोकस करते हैं तो वो ज्यादा अच्छा है. और अगर वो किसी और फील्ड में ट्राई कर सकते हैं, रिलेटेड फील्ड या कोई और फील्ड उनके माइंड में हो, ठीक है, तो एक बार उसको भी एक्सप्लोर करिए. बिकॉज आई सी द मच मोर द चेंज हैपनिंग हियर. सो जिस लाइन में वो जॉब कर रहे हैं या मतलब कर रहे थे, अगर उससे सिमिलर मिलता जुलता या थोड़ा सा अगर शिफ्ट कर सकते हैं तो वो ज्यादा अच्छा रहेगा, ठीक है। बाकी आई कैन ओनली विश ऑल द बेस्ट। सो यामिनी जी, यू आर गोइंग टू स्लीप बेस्ट। थैंक यू सो मच। हाँ, बताएंगे बताएंगे, आपके कार्ड्स तो मैं जरूर बताऊंगा, अभी तो मैं भूल गया हूँ। ओके, प्रियंका दास, व्हेन विल बी फाइनेंशियल इंडिपेंडेंट? ओह, फाइनेंशियल इंडिपेंडेंस के लिए तो लोग अपनी लाइफ लगा देते हैं। So Aparna Negi, don't forget to write the review on my Facebook page, because you will get a free reading with me, and I'll send you on the messenger when and for how many minutes. Okay. So Lalit Nagpure, general reading. Okay, let me do the Raja. I have already given you the reading. Okay, Lalit, general reading for Lalit. Okay. Oh. So Lalit, for your future career or your current situation, लोगों की बातें सुनना थोड़ा कम करिए, पहली बात, बिकॉज व्हाट यू गॉट इज द गिल्ट कार्ड, ठीक है। एंड दूसरा है कि जो गलतियां आपने कर दी उसके बारे में सोचना बंद करिए। तीसरी बात है, आप ऑप्शंस बहुत ज्यादा ढूंढते हैं, ठीक है। यू गेट इनटू टू मच ऑफ डिटेल अबाउट, कि अगर किसी ने पूछा कि कोई एक ऑप्शन है तो आप उसमें भी कई सारे सवाल ढूंढते हैं, एंड देन यू बिकम इनडिसिसिव, व्हिच इज नॉट गुड फॉर यू। तो ये एक इनडिसिसिवनेस चीज है जिससे आपको बचना है, और ये इनडिसिसिवनेस के कारण आपके हाथ से अपॉर्चुनिटीज चली जाती हैं, आपके हाथ से टाइम निकल जाता है, और फिर उसके बाद आप बैठकर सोचते हैं कि मुझे कर लेना चाहिए। तो इन चीजों से, इनके ऊपर आपको एक्चुअली काम करना है। या तो एक चीज डिसाइड करिए कि मुझे ये करना है और उसके पीछे लग जाइए, बिल्कुल सब कुछ छोड़ के उसके पीछे लग जाइए। अगर वो क्लैरिटी नहीं है तो जिनको भी आप मानते हैं, जो भी आपके सीनियर हैं, आपके फैमिली में बड़े हैं, कोई प्रोफेशनल्स हैं जो आपको इस बारे में, आपको करियर के बारे में कुछ गाइड कर सकते हैं, ठीक है, उनके पास जाइए। दे विल गाइड यू टूवर्ड्स कि आपको क्या करना चाहिए, अगर आपको क्लैरिटी नहीं है। अदरवाइज आप ऐसे ही हाथ पैर मारते रहेंगे और लास्ट में फिर बहुत थोड़ा बहुत जो भी मिलेगा फिर आप कहेंगे कि आई एम नॉट सेटिस्फाइड विथ माई लाइफ। तो लाइफ का सेटिस्फैक्शन चाहिए तो क्लैरिटी लाइए और ऑप्शंस थोड़ा कम करिए। डोंट लुक एट एवरीवेयर बिट डिटेल, और उसके बाद इनडिसिसिवनेस। प्लीज प्लीज सेव योरसेल्फ। दिस इज द जनरल गाइडेंस फॉर यू, ठीक है। और अगर आपको लगता है कि आपको कैसे करना चाहिए या कैसे इससे निकलना चाहिए, तो आप मुझसे पर्सनली भी बात कर सकते हैं। आई विल गाइड यू ऑन दैट एज वेल। ओके, लेट्स सी हु इज नेक्स्ट। Okay, Pooja Ghosh is asking for. Okay, somebody said my future. Okay, I'm sorry, I cannot tell you any future. Okay, the best future I can tell you right now is that to decide what do you want. Okay, decide on your goal and do it. Otherwise, if you ask me कि मुझे ये करना है, should I do this, or what career I should move on? No, please, I will not answer such short question. Future for me, I am not a fortune teller. Sorry. Okay, Aditya, action कब लेगा, क्या सोचता है मेरे लिए? सुनीता पालन, please shorten your question. It's too long, I cannot read. Okay, किशलोय घोष का current energy क्या है? Speak in Hindi. Okay, yes ma'am. I will speak in Hindi. मौमिता किसलय घोष का करंट एनर्जी क्या है? ओके, करंट एनर्जी क्या है? रीयूनियन कब होगा? ओके, वेरी गुड। किसलय घोष का करंट एनर्जी क्या कहता है? किसलय घोष का एनर्जी फिलहाल थोड़ा सा सोचने का टाइम तो ले रहे हैं। अगर आप रीयूनियन का पॉसिबिलिटी है, टाइमिंग थोड़ा बता पाना मुश्किल है, लेकिन फिर भी अगर बहुत ज़्यादा लंबा टाइम नहीं है तो 2 से 3 महीने में पॉसिबिलिटी है। लेकिन उस पॉसिबिलिटी के लिए आपको भी थोड़ा सा अपने तरफ से लिबरल होना पड़ेगा। यू ऑल्सो हैव टू शो सम, आपको भी अपने तरफ से थोड़ी सी पॉजिटिविटी दिखानी पड़ेगी। आपको अपने तरफ से थोड़ा सा सिग्नल्स अपने तरफ से भी देने पड़ेंगे अगर आप रीयूनियन चाहती हैं तो। ठीक है, रेस्ट ऑल इज योर चॉइस, बट देयर इज अ पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ रीयूनियन in the next 2 to 3 months. And please write a review on my Facebook page. आप एक Facebook पेज पर रिव्यू लिखिए and then आप मुझसे एक पर्सनल फ्री रीडिंग you are getting from me, so I will connect with you, but that is only for today's people who are taking the action, who are going to write the review on my page. Okay, Ujina Rana, मैंने आपके लिए गाइडेंस दे दिया है उजीना राना। I've already given the 3 months guidance. Okay, let me see who is next. Okay, किसका सवाल लें? Okay, फाल्गुनी रॉय, पूजा घोष, रीतम मुखर्जी के साथ रीयूनियन कब होगा? अच्छा, मुझे एक बात बताइए, आप लोग ये रीयूनियन तक जाते ही क्यों है? मतलब यूनियन ही क्यों नहीं रहते? You know the reason is that when the things start taking a bad shape, you don't get alert. Okay, that is the time actually you should take the guidance. When you are into the relationship, or when the things are moving, then only you should take the action, right? So anyways, I mean, that is all your choice. So let me see what is the guidance for Ritam Mukherjee ke sath reunion. Okay, it's quite a long time, whether you like it or not. But it is at least about 8 months of time. If you have 8 months is quite long, you can decide to take your own call. Okay, because it's quite a long time, and I'm sure nobody would like to wait for that time. Okay, let's move on to next is रजनी यादव, मेरा लाइफ पार्टनर कैसा होगा? ओके, सो रजनी यादव, लाइफ पार्टनर कैसा होगा देखते हैं। ओके, सो आपका जो लाइफ पार्टनर होगा, एक तो वो, उसमें बहुत सारी खूबियां होंगी। एक चीज जो मैं आपके पार्टनर के बारे में बता सकता हूँ, वो ये है कि वो मल्टीटास्किंग होंगे। मतलब वो कई सारे काम को बहुत इफेक्टिवली कर पाएंगे, एंड ही विल हैव दैट कैपेबिलिटी टू हैंडल मल्टीपल थिंग्स एट वन गो। आई कैन ओनली टेल यू वन थिंग अबाउट इट एज ऑफ नाउ। ठीक है, next, yes, and please write a review for a detailed reading and a personal reading. Yes, this is offering, I am first time after so many years of working, I never offer personal free readings. मैं कभी नहीं करता हूँ, trust me, I never do personal free readings. But today I am offering those people who are getting a guidance from me, please go to my Facebook page, write a review there, and in lieu of that, I will give you a personal reading as well. Yes. So please, those who are in aligned or those who have listened to me और जिन लोगों ने भी मुझसे guidance ले लिया है, तो please go and write a review. You don't have to share with me anything. I will go and find out. And जिन लोगों ने भी review दिया है, मैं उनके साथ connect कर लूँगा. ओके. प्रमोशन कब होगा? आरव is gone. Okay, Arab Singh is asking for promotion. Okay. Arab Singh is asking for promotion. Let's see. Let us see for Arab Singh is asking for promotion. It's likely to be in 3 months of time from today. लेकिन उसके लिए आपको कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है. So get aligned with your managers, with your bosses or the people who are advising you. ठीक है. उनके साथ मिलकर काम करिए. It's likely to be around 3 months from today. And just be sensible towards other people as well. In the meantime, whatever the timing you are going through, I know it's been put on hold or something, but just have some patience and enjoy this duration of time. And don't forget to align yourself with your manager, your immediate manager, because he is the person who is going to guide you in, taking the control of your promotion and everything. So yes, you will find that because I add a little bit of professional input from my side, from my experience of working. The reason is after 27 years of working into the corporates and reading professionally more than 5 years, okay, I am able to give you this guidance with complete professional experience as well as the spiritual guidance, the energies, what the angels are telling me. So with that, let's move on to Roli Mugdal. She is asking for when will the issue in my marriage resolve? Okay, what is the issue in the marriage? Okay, so somebody is trying to fix your marriage and you are overburdened. It's basically guided by someone else. Maybe your families, maybe you are not taking control of it. So the only issue I am saying is that you are not expressing what type of person you want or what type of family you want or what type of your partner you want. Roli Mugdal, if you are listening to me, okay, please express yourself because you have suppressed and you are just going with what other people are deciding. So that's not the way. It is becoming more challenging for you. So you need to work on start expressing yourself that yes, you want this type of person. Tell your family members or whoever is deciding you. Okay. Be communicative. Otherwise, this will become more challenging. That's the only thing I'm seeing as a issues. The interference of other people is more rather than yours. So let you take the charge of it. And if you ask me for the timing, if you work on this, a very straight card is could be about 8 to 10 months from now. Okay, but don't forget to work on yourself, and there should be a less interference of others because it is your life, not those people's life. I'm sorry to say this, but that interference is too much. All right. So if you want a detail more reading about this, about your blockage, about your marriage, So you can do one thing, you can go to my Facebook page, write a review, and I will connect with you. After the session, maybe tomorrow sometime, I will message to those people who have written a review for me today, and they will be getting a free personal reading from me. Okay. And this, I never offer personal free reading, but this is first time I'm offering. So those who are writing the review will get a free reading, personal reading from me. Sure. Thank you so much. Okay, let's see who is next. Ardav Singh, I have closed your reading. You write a review, and then I will do another reading for you separately. Yes, you are doing hard work, but you are not aligned with your the people who take the decision. Somewhere it is missing. All right, current feeling of Aditya for me. Current feeling of Aditya for Sunita Palan. Okay, thank you for your patience. What is the current feeling for Aditya for? Okay. Yes, Shanaz, good to see you. How are you doing? Yes, Sunita Palan, Aditya's feeling is not very clear. He's currently, if I look at his own situation, he's quite suppressed with so much of burden. That is mostly about, the internal anxiety. Okay. And second thing is, it's still not clear whether he should come back, he should decide to reunion with you, or whether he should move on. Okay, so his currently energies are not very clear, because I got this projection card, and uh, is trying to get the clarity towards you. So currently, I would say it's completely neutral. He is still trying to get the clarity whether he should come back, he should think of a reunion, or what it is. So I am just checking his energy towards you, and not the timeline, because there's no point in checking the timeline if the energies are not right, or the energies are giving certain positive indication. Then it makes sense to check for the timeline. So I'm sorry, this is the way I read the cards. So right now I'm not seeing his any energies are quite neutral or confusing. So I will not tell you any timeline, any hope of timeline. So give him some time, let him come out of his own situation, and then it would be better if he can think of, right? So that's the way I do this. Yeah, Rolly Mugdal, I have already given you the guidance. And if you can write a review for me, I will give you a personal guidance, which I have never done till now. In the last 7 years of tarot reading, I have not done this, but this is first time I am offering, and maybe the last time. Okay, so in the next live, I may not offer this to everyone. Okay, so let's go on. It's already 45 minutes. नेक्स्ट अगला सवाल किसका है? थैंक यू सनाज. यस प्रियंका दास, वेयर इज योर क्वेश्चन? आई डोंट सी. कौन सा बिजनेस अच्छा रहेगा? ओके, सो गिव मी द ऑप्शन. व्हाट बिजनेस ऑप्शंस यू हैव? प्रियंका दास, गिव मी द ऑप्शन. आई विल टेक योर लास्ट क्वेश्चन. सनाज, यू वांट मी टू गिव यू वन गाइडेंस? Thank you, Sunita. If you write a review, you get a one personal free reading from me. This only for the people who write a review for me. Priyanka Das, give me the options. What options you have? Okay, till the time, let me just pull a card for Shahnaz. This reading is for Shahnaz. Wow. Shahnaz, if you have been thinking of meeting somebody from quite a long time, okay, you are likely to meet very soon, maybe 2 to 3 weeks of time. And I also see there is some movement, could be a travel or something to meet that person or a friend or maybe family function, anything. But I see some travel, and yes, if you have been thinking of meeting some old friend, relative, cousins, anyone, okay, this likely to happen very soon, another 2 to 3 weeks of time. Yes, Priyanka Das is saying that chocolate baking or worksheet making. Okay, that's a good choice. Ah, all the best, Shahnaz. All the best. So write a review, Shahnaz. I'll give you another free reading. Okay, chocolate baking and worksheet making. Okay, so chocolate baking guides better choice, Priyanka, for you. Rest the choice is yours. Okay. Uh, yes, the chocolate I have reconfirmed. The chocolate baking is a better choice for you. And thank you, Sanaz. I wish you all the very best. And thank you, Priyanka, for taking the initiative to become an entrepreneur. And with that, thank you so much, everyone. And those of you who have written a review after this live guidance, the free guidance with me, uh, if you write a review on my page, I will connect with you and give you one personal reading. I will set up a time with you personally. All right. Thank you so much. Shanaz, so live in 3 years since last 3 years and you haven't seen his daughter. Okay. So is he likely to coming in back to see the daughter? All right. So with that, thank you so much, everyone, and I will reconnect with you soon. Day after tomorrow, now you can see me often coming for the live. Thank you so much and stay blessed. Thank you.